Hello students, in this video we shall learn about mercury barometer. Now what is a barometer? A barometer is a device which measures atmospheric pressure. You know that Earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air which we call it as atmosphere. So naturally when you have Earth like this and when you have a layer of air around this with different densities, right, and the air column will exert a pressure on the people or anything on the Earth. Now we need to calculate what is this pressure, and this is called atmospheric pressure. We are going to measure the atmospheric pressure. For that, one of the basic simple instrument is barometer, and this is a mercury barometer because it is going to use mercury as a liquid. This was actually invented by a French physicist by name Torcillian. Okay, it's a difficult to pronounce sometime. Torcillian. So this is actually a Torcillian barometer. It's a French scientist. Now what it consists of? It consists of a trough or a container in which mercury is taken. So I have taken mercury in this container, and you know that mercury will have convex surface. The meniscus will be convex in nature. Whereas when you take water in a test tube or anything, you will see concave meniscus. Again, I will teach you in further classes about capillarity and all that. This is a concave meniscus and this is a convex meniscus because its density is more, and also it's something to do with capillarity and angle of contact and surface tension. Now we take a tube which is of 1 meter length. 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now fill it till the brim, till there you fill it with mercury. Fill this whole thing with mercury. And after having filled this with mercury, right, what we do, we just hold it at the tip like this. I am just telling you in a rough way, right. 1 meter tube, fill it with mercury, and then you just hold the thing here like this, right? The opening, you hold it like this. And then after having held it like this, invert it like this into the trough, into the container. Already mercury is there. We have got mercury in this test tube also, in the tube, not test tube, it's a very big tube that is 1 meter, 100 centimeter. And just to close the mouth like this and then invert it like this. When you invert it like this, you will find that the mercury will drop down to some level, and it will drop down to a level of 76 centimeter. 76 centimeter it will drop down, and you will find that the mercury level will be standing at 76 centimeter. Now you will find that already the mercury was there in the whole tube. Now mercury has come down and come into the trough like this, mercury, and joined with the other mercury, and here vacuum is created, and this vacuum you call it as Torcillian vacuum. Torcillian vacuum. Okay, so this is a vacuum. So there is no pressure here in this point. Pressure at this point, let us say if you point call this A, pressure at A is equal to 0. Now there is a pressure acting at different points here. We know that the liquid column is going to exert the pressure. Let us say a point